Harrison. I'm just starting my YouTube channel. This is my first video, and enough yapping. Let's dive right in. So today we're going to be making a table. The table right here. I'll be using WT Schools and VS to code it. So what we want to do first is just search up. We just want to put table and click enter. Then we have to put TR, which is basically what's going to contain our title. And click enter. We have to put th, which is going to be our title. I'm going to make my titles Java, Python, and VS. So after you've done your title, after you've done like your headings, what you want to do is when you put tr again, instead of putting th, you put td. You put td because it's just going to be the same thing. That's not the heading and it's not in bold, which is indication that it's not the title. So for my tds, I'm just going to put optimization, customization, and enjoyability. Then I'm gonna, since there's 5 of them, you can put as much as you want. For this video, I'm just gonna be putting 3. So make another tr, enter, put my td inside, and then I'll just put random names just to complete the table. Python and VS. So we've completed the table. I only did 3. So now what we want to do is that we want to start the table. Make sure that the CSS you're using is connected to, so you see how both of mine are connected to the same thing, so they're linked over here. They're linked. So I'm gonna go to CSS and click on table. So you want to click on the table over here. Click on table and put a bracket and put enter, so it will be in between. Then you put your font family and put any font you want, and then you also put your border collapse. You can make it however you want. I'm just doing it like this with a collapse, and I'll make my width 100%. So there we go. We've styled the table. So now what we want to do is style the TDs, which is the TDs, which is the ones underneath the title, and the TH, which is the title itself. So you want to put TDs, comma, TH. So you want to click this and then yeah, put the brackets. So what we want to do, put the border style however you want. I'm just gonna do 5px and then make the color blue. Then we also have to add the text align. So here I will just make mine center, and you also make the padding. The text, the border is basically, you see the stuff around this, the stuff around the table. The text align, you see how all the stuff are going towards the left. I put my center, so they'll be around the center. And the padding is the space away from these edges to your words. This is APX, so it's a little bit far away. I'll make my padding 10px. So now we start the TDs and TRs. All we have TDs and THs. So all we have to do is just style the TR. So put TR nth child. Even. We put brackets around the even. Now we want to put in between is just the background color. I'll make my background color brown. So after we've completed styling, now all we need to do is save all of them with your CSS and your HTML, and then you go to your browser. You have to open it through your folder if you saved it there. So I opened mine through my folder. This is my folder. I'm opening to my browser. So it's over here. If you scroll down, this is the result. So I'll see you guys next time in my next video. I hope you guys like and subscribe to help support my channel, and have a great day. Bye.